Your system is repairing itself, please wait. Pro fixes. If you're seeing your system is repairing itself, please device, it often means there's an issue with the operating system or storage. Here are some effective tips to address this issue on ChromeOS. 1. Restart the Chromebook. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve minor issues. Hold down the power button until the device turns off, then turn it back on to see if the issue persists. 2. Perform a hard reset. A hard reset can fix more persistent issues by resetting the hardware components. Steps asterisk, turn off your Chromebook. Press and hold refresh, counterclockwise arrows button, and tap the power button. Release both keys once the Chromebook restarts. This will reset some hardware configurations but should not delete any data. 3. Enter recovery mode and reinstall ChromeOS. If your system can't repair itself, you might need to reinstall ChromeOS using recovery mode. Steps asterisk 1. Create a recovery USB asterisk. You'll need a USB drive, 8 GB or larger. On another computer, install the Chromebook recovery utility, https://chrome.google.com/webstore/details/chromebook-recovery-utility, from the Chrome Web Store, and follow the prompts to create a recovery drive. 2. Enter recovery mode asterisk. Turn off your Chromebook. Press and hold ESC plus refresh, counterclockwise arrows button, then tap the power button. Release all keys to boot into recovery mode. 3. Insert the USB recovery drive, and follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall ChromeOS. 4. Power wash, factory reset. If your system does boot but continues to show errors, a power wash, factory reset, may resolve the issue. Steps asterisk 1. Sign into your Chromebook. 2. Go to Settings, Advanced Reset Settings. 3. Select Power Wash and follow the on-screen instructions. This will remove all local data but will not affect data stored in your Google account. 5. Check for hardware issues. If you're still having problems, the issue may be hardware related, example SSD issues. In this case, visit a repair center, contact the Chromebook manufacturer or visit an authorized repair center for further assistance. ChromeOS Diagnostics. Use the ChromeOS Diagnostics tool, if accessible, by typing chrome//diagnostics in the address bar to check battery, CPU, and memory health, which may hint at underlying hardware issues. These steps should help resolve the "your system is repairing itself" issue on a Chromebook. If the problem persists after trying all of these solutions, it may require professional repair assistance.